Alright, hey guys, it's Gavin, and today we're gonna be playing Mario. Wait a minute. Mario has changed the name to Red Plumber. Oh yeah, it's called Red Plumber Obby. Okay, hey guys, Gavin here, and today we're gonna be playing Red Plumber Adventure Obby. So let's do this. Hi, I'm Mr. Red Plumber. We need to save the princess. Princess... What? Princess Pink? I thought it said Princess Peach. Oh yeah, Princess Peach has turned into name to Princess Pink. Oh yeah, let's do this. Let's do this, guys.
Got like Mario's castle going on. Two little toads.
Since when was this pipe here? The big bad Bow Wow went through this. Let's go. Are these Goombas? Boom.
Hey, got a pipe. What's in here?
Boom. Okay, wait. What's this pipe do? Wait a minute. I can't give her. Oh yeah, we can use this. What's this pipe do?
Go down?
Oh come on.
All right, can't go down.
Well, you can't go down.
Ah, yes.
But what are we gonna do? Boom!
Hey, got a pipe.
I popped him in the head.
Can I go down? All right, can't go down. Can I go in this pipe? Ah, yes.
Can I go with this pipe? Oh yes, you can.
Still can't go down. Okay, maybe you can only.
Oh come on!
Green shell to red shell to green shell.
Okay,
Ooh,
green, red, and green.
Can I go down this pipe?
All right, let's go. Boing, boing, boing. All right. Can we go? All right. Can we go in this pipe? Come on! This is work.
How many times do I need to try?
Try.
I think I can get up here. Can I do it?
Do it.
Then up here? Oh, come on!
Come on. Nope. Nope.
Sand! Oh no! You gotta...
Fabulous, but are you sure this is what you want?
Yes, ma'am. Bear witness to my business.
Oh, didn't know the CEO of all business was in this mall.
Much regards, mother.
Woohoo! Go get him, Shug!
Bye. Then seal the bye, then buy back. Slap a bow on it and seal it there. While you're at it, give me the morning numbers for the S&P, the DMV, and the PBJ. Oh, and the PIF. Yes, that's right.
Man, this is horrible. You didn't fail that, did you?
Quick saying you can't catch me no matter how quick you are.
You know that quick yard? Yep. Huh?
Boom! Little guy.
What's this guy doing here?
Need to find the key. All right.
Need to find the key. All right.
Pandas on the
A
case.
cultural panda is on the case.
Don't look at me like...
I'll be back. Don't look at me like that.
Hey, I found...
Hey, I found the key.
That's right. I solved
That's right. I solved your puzzle. Can I go down this pipe?
It worked!
It worked. Finally, a pipe actually worked.
Can I survive under here?
Can I survive under here?
I'm not gonna drown, right?
I'm not gonna drown, right?
Got squiddies.
There's
Got
squiddies.
fisheroonies.
There's the fisheroonies.
How do I get out?
How do I get up?
What's the bubble do?
What's
Bubble
this?
doesn't do
What's this
anything.
bubble do? Bubble doesn't do anything.
I got a platform
Oh,
on the
I got a
fish.
platform on the fish.
Dang it, why'd she run off like that? Oh, hey, you're that lady from the elevator.
And once more. There we go.
And once more, and there we go. Ah!
Got like a...
I fell off. Dude, I fell off. Come on.
Flattered you think these wrinkles are fake, young lady. Here, have a hard case.
Little seaweed ladder over there.
There's a seedy platter over there.
No, absolutely no running in the mall. You can walk as fast
Ladder.
as you want, but 1 foot must maintain contact with the ground at all times. Fine, Tilly! You make a difference, Roy. You'll never forget it. Too much zucchini. My dad is
Ah, I walked right off. Come on, what's up with that camera?
Ah, I walked that right off.
Climb.
Okay, climb.
No, hang on. I'm gonna.
Oh, come on.
I changed my.
Boy.
I changed my screen protector out.
Well, I can't play the game without your phone. Please. Alright, fine. To be continued.